Now we have 1.33 times 8.9. So let's start with setting up our problem by writing our first number of 1.33 on top and multiplying that by our second number on the bottom. Now we're going to start with our bottom number and take our furthest right digit and multiply it by every digit on top. So we're going to start with 9 times 3, which gives us 27. So we write our 7 down below and then carry our 2 to the next column. Now we have 9 times 3, which gives us 27 again, but 27 plus the 2 that we carried gives us 29. So we bring the 9 down here and carry the 2 to our next column. Now we have 9 times 1, which gives us 9, but 9 plus the 2 that we carried gives us 11, so we write the 11 down below. Now we're done with this 9 and these 2's that we carried, and we can move on to 8. But because we're moving on to the next digit over, we have to leave this space below the 7 blank, or we can add a 0. In this case, we'll add a 0. So now we start with 8 times 3. 8 times 3 gives us 24, so we bring the 4 down here and then carry the 2 to the next column. Now we have 8 times 3 again, which gives us 24, but 24 plus the 2 that we carried gives us 26. So we bring the 6 down here and carry the 2 to the next column. Now we have 8 times 1, which gives us 8, and 8 plus the 2 that we carried gives us 10, so we write the 10 below. And now we want to add all of these digits together. Starting at the right, we have 7 plus 0, which gives us 7, 9 plus 4, which gives us 13, so bring the 3 down and carry the 1, 6 plus 1, which gives us 7, but 7 plus the 1 that we carried gives us 8, and then 1 plus 0 gives us 1, and then nothing plus 1 gives us 1 again. So now that we have all of our digits in our final answer, we have to worry about our decimal. So going back to our original question, in 1.33 we have 2 digits behind the decimal, and in 8.9 we have 1 digit behind the decimal. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3, which means we are going to have 3 digits after our decimal in our final answer. So if our decimal starts behind the 7, we're going to move it over once, then twice, then a third time to leave our decimal right after the 11. And our final answer of 1.33 times 8.9 is 11.837.